Racing just started with Irish Toppy. Break quickly restart in between horses comes Greater Pace, etc. Running by the release Saturday Girl. Kaluguran while so enduring is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Greater Pace. Saturday Girl is running by the rail, and in third comes etc. Irish Toppy comes next. Kaluguran while so enduring is still in last, back to the leader. We have Greater Pace, etc. Moving up in between horses, running by the rail comes Saturday Girl. Irish Toppy is down in fourth, and in fifth Kaluguran while so enduring is still in last 400 meters of the race, we have etc. by about 3 lengths. Saturday Girl now in second. Irish Toppy are the outside, then comes Glitter Pace, and as they swing to round etc. by about 3 lengths. Saturday Girl remains in second. Irish Toppy are the outside, last 75 meters etc. Saturday Girl is on the outside, but it's still it, etc. Saturday Girl, then comes Irish Toppy, Kaluguran.
Bayang karerista para dito sa ating penultimate race number 6 ng ating pong unofficial winner, your favorite, numero 4, etc. with JD Huko, masasegundo nga, numero 2, Saturday Girl. So, ating po munang balikan ng replay para dito sa ating pang-anim na karera.